Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check what apps have access to your iPhone's microphone and camera. And guys, we are doing it on iOS version 14.4. So let's start. So first of all, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me go back again. So in order to check what apps have access to your iPhone's microphone and camera, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to scroll down to privacy. So let me go over there. So here I have this privacy. So you have to tap on this to open it. Let me tap on this, and I have this privacy. This is screen opened. And after that guys, you can see here we have this microphone and camera. So let's check out for microphone first, and after that we will check out for camera. So just tap on this microphone. Let me tap on this, and I have this microphone. This is screen opened. You can see guys, I have two apps over here that have access to my iPhone's microphone. You can see the switch is on. Next to these apps. So I have two apps over here. You might have more or less. And also here I have this message. Let's read that. Applications that have requested access to the microphone will appear here. And suppose guys, if you don't want an app to have access to your iPhone's microphone, then you can go to that app and you can turn off the switch next to that app. So suppose if I don't want this WhatsApp to have access to my iPhone's microphone, then I can go to this switch next to this WhatsApp, and I can turn off this. So let me tap on this and move this slider to the left. You can see it's now turned off. So from now on, WhatsApp won't have access to my iPhone's microphone. But I want this WhatsApp to have access to my iPhone's microphone. So let me turn on the switch. Let me tap on this and move this slider to the right. You can see it's now turned on. So it's done for microphone. Let's do that for camera. So just go back to this privacy screen and tap on this camera. So let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I have this camera. This is screen opened. And here we have this message. Apps that have requested access to the camera will appear here. So you can see guys, I have four apps over here that have access to my iPhone's camera. You might have more or less. So when the switch is on next to the app, that means the app have access to your iPhone's camera. You can see I have this WhatsApp. You can see I have this switch on. That means this WhatsApp have access to my iPhone's camera. And also this Instagram, Chrome, and Authenticator. You might have some other apps. And suppose guys, if you don't want an app to have access to your iPhone's camera, you can go to that app and you can turn off the switch next to that app. So suppose if I don't want this WhatsApp to have access to my iPhone's camera, then I can turn off the switch next to this WhatsApp. So let me show you. Let me tap on this switch and next to this WhatsApp and move this slider to the left. I'm tapping on it and you can see it's now turned off. So from now on, WhatsApp won't be able to access my iPhone's camera. So just select the option that you want, and after you're done, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way, you can easily check what apps have access to your iPhone's microphone and camera. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.